Okay, so I have started recording. Okay. So chi, have you understood? I can hear you all of your voices very clearly, loud and clear. I don't know why at your end you can't listen, but I can listen loud and clear your voices, all of you. Uh, what I was talking about. So chi. Now what happened is this Chinese also saw that whatever is coming to this world must go. But in the process, they saw that there is definitely two portions. Two portions. On one side, when the material, whatever comes to this world, appears here on in this world, in our world, it appears in our world. So there are two halves of this process. On one half, on the first half of the process, actually the activities, the function, the movement is increasing continuously. And on the other side of the process, the movement is going down, the activity is going down. You can see from this curve also. If I have to draw, this curve, this is activity and this is time. So if you plot like this, with the time the activity first it increases, from the start it increases, then it reaches the highest point, peak point, and there is a plateau kind of a thing, and then it starts decreasing. The first half, when the activity is increasing, is obviously which force is more active, yang or yin? The force which is responsible for movement is very more active. So this is called yang chi. Yang side of chi means yang chi. And the other one is yin chi. So yang side and yin side of the chi. So you have understood. I can't write it so fast. This is yang. Yin. So two sides of chi. Yang dominated, yin dominated. Okay. Now this yang side, they saw that any process, anything that comes to this world goes through a process. So anything and everything that has come to this world must go. That is chi. It has two sides. First, initially it is yang dominated, and the later it is yin dominated. Yang dominated means more activities, more function, more movement, more changes. Change is the key word. And yin side, less changes, more maintenance of the status quo. No movement force is dominating. So they saw this two halves, and then they saw individually the yang side and the yin side. They found that on yang side again there are two different stages. Yang side also there are two different stages. One is the initial phase of the process when the process has just started. and then starts the other phase. It starts and it takes you to the ultimate target of the maximum activity. So the two phases, they saw that on the yang side of the chi of the process, they saw that there are two kinds of functions. There are two different kinds of functions. Different kinds of functions. जैसे समझेंगे, सब लोग म्यूट करके रखिए तब समझ में आएगा. Deepa ji, you are not muting. Right. Okay. So yang side has two phases. Initial phase is that phase where the things start moving, but it doesn't continue to move. It doesn't take you to the maximum capacity, the ability, the potential. That is first phase. That is initial phase of the process. And the other phase is that will take it. For example, if you know how paddy fields, have you seen paddy? जहां से चावल होता है, धान होता है, देखा है धान? धान कैसे पैदा किया जाता है? In the south, a lot of people eat rice. You know how rice is cultivated, how it comes? राइस खाते हैं आप लोग? पुष्पा जी?
Yes sir, we know sir.
राइस कैसे, राइस का प्लांट कैसे होता है? पहले फर्स्ट सीड इज ग्रोन, सीड इज सोन, seed is sown, and that is very densely sown. In a very small area, seed is given. And when small plants come and they become nearly 12 days old or 15 days old plants, they are uprooted and they are again placed with a distance in a different way, in a different arrangement in a larger piece of land, larger area. Have you noticed that?
25 days sir.
पहले तो 12 दिन था, अभी उसको 15 दिन किया है मॉडर्न साइंस ने, बट वॉट एवर 25 दिन करता, वॉट एवर, आई एम नॉट बॉदर्ड. वाई 25 दिन या वाई 12 दिन या वाई 15 दिन, जो कुछ भी करते हो. Similarly, when a girl is born, she remains with the parents. When she reaches puberty, the parents start looking for a husband. And then she is sent to another place with another person, with another man. She is married up. Similarly for the men, for the boys. Meaning thereby that the initial phase is not very ripe and it has not reached the full-blown growth. And it cannot travel up to the maximum limit where it can go. Its own capability, its own potential, the highest, the potential will not be exploited. Once it has grown to certain, once it has started, and then once we know that now it can move, keep on moving up to the final potential, whatever it has to do, it will reach that final target, that peak will come. So there are two portions on the activity side. Two portions on the activity side. The first initial phase, they called it wood. The initial phase, they called it wood. And the second phase, which takes you continuous to the peak, to the final target where you can reach your maximum potential. That movement is continuous movement in a set direction. Now this fire has a direction also. Fire has a direction also. Whereas wood does not have any direction. Wood can move in any direction. It can move this side. 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 It can move in any direction. This phase cannot move. It can move in any direction. But then the movement starts in the first phase. It starts moving. But when it slowly develops and it reaches a critical stage, when the full it has started, it can take a direction and go. That time it is the second phase starts and a direction is given and with the direction it can go, it goes up to its maximum potential, maximum height, maximum limit. So this is the maximum limit. Similarly, on the yin dominated side, they saw that there are two phases. One phase is that when it has reached that particular peak, after that when it starts, the functions and the process starts slowing down, it does not want it to slow down. It does not want it to slow down. So you will see that this tries to maintain the activity. It tries to maintain the activity. It tries to keep on moving as it was moving at the peak. As it has reached the peak, whatever it was there, it does not want to change. It wants to continue to move. It wants to continue to move. It does not want to budge. It does not want to compromise. It does not want to go sluggish. But ultimately, whatever yang is all consumed here. And then ultimately he finds that he has become helpless and he cannot keep on moving as he was moving. And this last phase, this becomes very sluggish, hardly any activity or no activity. Last phase, no activity, helplessness, no activity, no movement. So this third phase, that is on the inside the first phase, is this is called metal. And the last phase, when there is no activity, this is called water.
So that's why you compare this metal with fire.
Yes.
It is continuously trying to maintain it.
Maintain, but it cannot maintain.
Maintain. Yeah, that is a different issue, but it is continuously trying to.
Because yin has started consuming it.
Yes.
Right? So they saw this very carefully, meticulously, and they found that the two sides, the yang side, the yin side. In yang side, again, there are two phases. In yin side, there are two phases. They saw another thing, they noticed another thing. What they noticed was
That is the earth.
They noticed that the junction of yang and yin, the transition of yang into yin, that they noticed. In the metal also there is a boundary. It does not want to budge. It wants to continue. It wants to maintain the boundary. It wants to maintain the limits. Up to this is mera ye itna bada raj hai. I will be going up to this. I will be coming back up to this. I will go for morning walk every day, 4 kilometers up and 4 kilometers down. Ultimately, he finds that he cannot make it. That is metal. Then the metal finishes and the water starts. And the activity ultimately goes to nil and ultimately finish and death. So this first phase wood is birth and last phase water is death. In between, there is yet another kind of activity very fine when you are at the top of the world. Top of the world. Top of the world means whatever you have the capacity you have achieved and you want to maintain that. There the activity is different. You forget everything. At times you like the yang activity. At times you want to rest and enjoy like yin. You just leave. So both of them are there. This is a very strange and very special phase of any process, and your life is a process, remember. This phase, that is transitional phase, is called, they named it as earth. Okay.
Yes, sir. That's why you say always, sir, yang is life.
Yang is life. True. Now,
Sir,
Earth is what? It's joining yang and yin. Remember this.
yes, sir.
Earth is joining yang and yin. Earth is joined on this side with yang, and on this side it is joined with yin. On this side it is joined with fire, on the other side it is joined with metal. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Take a photo of this. Take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot and post it in the group. That should be good enough to remind you whatever I have told you. Who can take this screenshot?
Sir did it. Sending
Okay.
right now.
Okay.
I am taking and sending it.
Okay. One of you can do. Keep doing. ये समझ में आई बात आपके? Have you got it? Now this wood, fire, earth, metal and water, they are called the five elements. They are actually what? What is an element? If I ask you what is an element? Elements are different stages of a process. What is chi? Chi is a process. Chi is a process. Chi is a, and this process goes on because of energy, because of forces. So it is made of waves. Those forces and energies are made of waves. What kind of waves? Waves of higher wavelength and waves of lower wavelength. Waves where the movements are more, waves where the movements are less. So the yang force and the yin force, the yin energy and the yang energy. And it is working on something always, it is working on something, some object, one object. Yin and yang both are working on one object. And that object has come to materialize. How it has come to materialize like this? With the help of yang and yin. Movement and no movement. Right? Where have the yang and yin come from? They both have come from the womb of the absolute. Both have come from the womb of absolute, the Vuji. The other day I showed you and I told you about Vuji. Yesterday I told you about Vuji, I think.
Yes, sir.
So today I have told you what is an element and what is chi. Will you remember this?
Yes, sir.
If you have any questions, you can ask me now.
Sir,
Yes.
thank you for the beautiful explanation, sir. Amazing explanation.
Acha, thank.
What is five elements? Now only it's getting inside. Thank you.
Thank you. I want that these things should get into you, and I want others also to come and join me and try to understand what is what. Right? Now this metal part, how it will maintain, you have to think. If this is yang is non-substantial, this is non-substantial, this is substantial. So the creation has two phases, double layer. Non-substantial, this is slowly from non-substantial to substantial, it is becoming. That is substract. That is also happening because of energy. So substract is also chi, and energies are also chi. But these energies are duality. When yang and yin both are combined, then only it is called chi. Yang in isolation cannot be found. Yin in isolation cannot be found. Yang must accompany yin. Yin cannot be there without yang. And this whole process, which has two parts, that is chi. So individually, any of these three can be called chi, and in combination of two or all the three, it can be called chi. And chi is formed of what? Waves. How will you know this chi is yang dominated or yin dominated? You will have to identify the energy. So you will have to see the waves. The larger and longer waves means it is more yang, probably. That is also I'm saying probably, because with context, this definition may also change. And the smaller steps, it is yin.
Sir, substrat क्या बोले sir?
Substrat लिखा है ना, इसमें दिख नहीं रहा.
नहीं, उसका meaning you told something.
Substrat, the substance on which the energy works. Matter. ठीक है अभी समझ में आ रहा है, बिल्कुल क्लियर है?
Yes, sir, perfectly. Getting very clear.
Very clear. उमेश जी आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ सर आ रहा है सर. थैंक यू सर.
आप समझ में आ रहा है ना पूरी बात? ची समझ में? ची कैसा है?
हाँ.
अगर ची जो वेव है वो अकेले एक वेव हो तो नहीं देख सकते. बहुत से वेव जब एक साथ हो जाते हैं तब वो दिखने लगता है, छोटा पार्टिकल दिखने लगता है, कोई बहुत स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल एटम दिखने लगता है, नहीं तो इलेक्ट्रॉन दिखने लगता है, प्रोटॉन दिखने लगता है. वो भी कई परमाणुओं से मिलके बना है, अणुओं से मिलके, उसमें भी कई वेव्स हैं, तब जाकर के वो दिखने लगा. फिर धीरे धीरे बहुत से एटम बने, फिर बहुत से मॉलिक्यूल बने, फिर बहुत सी मटीरियल बन गई. सब ये सब ची है. समझ में आई बात? चाहे उसमें 3 वेव है तब भी ची है, 4 वेव है तब भी ची है, और 5000 वेव है तब भी ची है, 5 बिलियन वेव्स है तब भी वो ची है. तो 5 बिलियन ची अगर एक साथ में आ जाएगी तो सॉलिड है. सॉलिड भी ची है, लिक्विड भी ची है, गैस भी ची है, और गैस के बियॉन्ड जो है वो भी ची है. तो फिजिकल ची कैन बी फिजिकल और ची कैन बी मेटाफिजिकल. नो डिफरेंस. ची दोनों तरह से हो सकता है. बहुत जगह किताबों में लिखा है ची इज मेटाफिजिकल. कैसे आया होगा ची, कैसे मटेरियलाइज हुआ होगा? इफ यू कैन सी दिस बोर्ड, आई विल शो यू.
Sir, can you remove the screen sharing?
अच्छा,
स्क्रीन शेयरिंग हटाना होगा सर.
हटा देंगे. यहाँ से ब्लैंक है पूरा. कैन यू सी द बोर्ड नाउ?
Yes, sir.
So this is blank. Then after that the dots are there. Then this is how it is coming from nothing to material. And at every stage, the two forces are working. This is yang, but there is no function. So function wise, that is very completely yin. But the yang has come out. Yang has come out. Yin is opposing it. So this yang was more. Therefore, but yin was trying to arrest it. and therefore this has taken shape. Therefore, this creation. So at every stage.
You mean to say when the yang has come out from the nothingness,
That is absolute.
in the form of waves and then
Then many waves coming
proton-
together. Some 2-3 waves coming
proton,
together.
electron.
2 waves, 3 waves, 4 waves, 5 waves coming
Yes.
together. So there is a bounding force. Bounding force is yin. Unless there is a bounding force, how the waves will come together?
Right, right.
That bounding force is yin.
So continuously something
In
that is
Sankhya
yang force is
Darshan,
coming, keep coming out.
In Nyaya Darshan, this bounding force in Indian philosophy, this is known as man. Manas. That is the bounding force. Man is here in our body, and there is another man which is metaphysical. But anyway, this whole process has been explained by Chinese in terms of hexagrams. There are 64 hexagrams to explain all this process. 8 hexagrams are Bahua, that is called Bahua by Chinese, which is very well known now. It is becoming very popular world over nowadays. People are trying to understand it. It's very difficult to understand. But this is what they have explained. All the changes are coming from heaven, from top to bottom. The bottom is earth, top is heaven, and in between is human. So all these changes are coming on the creation, is coming on that. The creation is between earth and the heaven. Earth is like that, heaven is all around. शोभा जी,
Sir.
आपको कुछ पूछना हो तो पूछिए.
Well, I'm listening. This.
Listen to Sabi, everyone is listening. There is nothing special about it. But if you can ask some question which can give something more,
Sure.
that is better.
Sir,
Yes.
What I was asking was the from nothingness it has come, yang force has come. So this waves joining together and forming the creation.
The waves were very, very young. They were very, very young. They were single. They didn't want to combine with anyone. They didn't want any touch, nothing, no interaction, nothing. But there was another, as soon as they came out and the waves started coming out, the waves started forming. There was Kampan, there was Nag. That is what the word was in the beginning. Right? We say Omkar is the Shabda Brahm, all that, all philosophies together. All that is there in the Chinese wisdom in different words.
Yeah.
In different words. क्या पूछ रहे हो अभी विजय?
हाँ सर.
विजय तुम बहुत सोचते हो.
नहीं, आप बोल रहे थे ना सर, इसलिए I wanted to hear what you are telling again. So.
अभी समझ में आ रही है?
हाँ सर, समझ में आ रही है. So what I have understood is, see, from there nothingness, something has come. So from the opposite side again, the yin force is trying to obstruct that yang which has come out.
When this will disintegrate, all these molecules, all these atoms, the fundamental particles, everything will disintegrate. So that material creativity will go, but that yang force, the original force, the yang force, that will remain. Then Chinese talked of different souls: ethereal soul, corporeal soul, all this. Which is discussed in my book, Generation and Distribution of Qi, which of course I may not be taking on these classes. It's more of.
So you are telling this 2 waves, 3 waves that are forming and coming together, this is because of yin.
Yin.
Okay.
Yin has that
Okay.
binding thing is yin, and separation is yang.
Yeah.
Separation is what? Yang. Joining is what? Yin.
Yin. So that's
And
why
what?
this creation, then we can say.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
And
Yes.
this they have explained in terms of hexagons. So they have categorized this whole process into 8 categories.
Good, sir.
8 categories. If
Very
you are
good.
interested, I shall share the screen. The 8 categories you can see. Maybe I have the photograph.
Yes, sir. Please share, sir.
No, this explanation is very good, sir.
Acha?
Hmm.
So you are giving me a certificate. ऐसा बना ये these lines you can see the solid lines and the broken lines. The solid line is yang and the broken line is yin. So here they are not showing all 8. There are 8. The 4 phases of universal energy: wood, fire, metal, water. Right? And this 4 again is divided into 8. That is another kind of a chapter, another kind of a study, which we are not doing.
Sir, can I say something?
Yes.
So as per this understanding, what I'm getting that it means currently I'm not exist. And the people around me can able to see me because of
No,
this
I can't hear you.
yin yang
No,
energy.
repeat. What are you asking?
Sir,
Hmm.
as per this principle, which you explained right now,
Hmm.
it means I'm not exist even currently.
Why?
As
Why?
you say,
No, you are existing.
how sir, but due to the force, due to all these elements or due to yin and yang energy, I'm visible in front of everyone.
You are?
I'm the people, as you say, the yang force and yin force.
Yes.
As they are in balanced condition, that's where
No. They are not in balanced condition.
sir, I'm trying to explain. Of course, they are not in balance.
They are
But
either yang is more or yin is more.
yes,
Equal,
sir.
they are never equal. That is life.
Yes, sir.
So you can't say that you don't exist. No proof is required to see that you exist. Don't you know that you exist?
Yes, sir, I exist. But what I'm saying you
Hmm.
that this existence can be visible because of these 2 forces of energy of yin and yang.
Now in you,
Either
there
they are
are
overactive.
now look at it. In you, this is a very complex thing. This I explained for the material things, for the jada. But there is one thing more in you that is called Chetan Tattva. That way, the way we are looking at this, the Indians are looking at this, the Chinese have not looked at this in this way. Chinese, they are concerned with body, mind, and intellect, the unit only. Right? And the corporeal soul, the ethereal soul, this soul, whatever spirit they are talking about, they are talking of the different stages of the brain, which is what is happening in the brain. Actually, the soul that we call Atma Tattva, they are not saying that Atma Tattva, we say there is one Atma. Atma Tattva is one single. We are dividing it into 5.
Yes, sir, they divide into 5.
7 spirits.
Yes, sir.
Right? So it is not the same. Don't confuse. Like their water and our water, they are different. Similarly, their spirit, their soul and our soul is different.
Okay, sir.
The only good thing is, being an Indian, we know a little bit of our own philosophy, own wisdom of Vedas, and then we are trying to study something foreign, that is Chinese wisdom, and then we try to look from the light, from the telescope, from the microscope of Indian philosophy, how this wisdom of China can be utilized. Because the way they have utilized it for correction or of diseases, for therapy, we never used it. We tried to go through Ayurveda.
Yes, sir.
They have also herbs. So they are one step ahead of it. Utilizing the facts, the wisdom, the way they have utilized, we have not utilized the wisdom in the same way. We have utilized the wisdom in some other way. Yoga is our expertise. Yoga is our specialty, which is not their specialty.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, this is not to be discussed in this class. Let us go for therapy.
I agree, sir.
Right? So if you don't have question, we will close the session. Tomorrow we will know the mechanism. Tomorrow we will know what is acupressure acupuncture. And tomorrow we will know more about Qi. We will discuss more about Qi. If you do not have any questions, we shall close the session.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No
Thank you
questions?
so much.
उमेश कोई क्वेश्चन
Right,
है
sir.
तुम्हारा?
हाँ नहीं सर ठीक है सर समझ में गए
समझ गए? बहुत अच्छी
हाँ,
बात।
समझ।
I'm very happy for you.
Thank you,
Deepa
sir.
ji, you are not asking. You are a silent listener.
No, I'm understanding. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you. Good night then.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.